Tim Walz Biography, Early Life, Political Career, and Achievement. Timothy James Walz was born on April 6, 1964 in West Point, Nebraska, USA. Raised in a rural working-class family, Walz developed a deep appreciation for public service and education. He attended Booth High School and later enrolled in Chadron State College in Nebraska, where he earned a Bachelor of Science degree in Social Science Education. After completing his education, Walz joined the Minnesota National Guard in 1981. He served for 24 years, attaining the rank of Command Sergeant Major, making him the highest-ranking enlisted soldier ever elected to Congress. His military service shaped his leadership skills and commitment to veterans' welfare. Alongside his military career, Walz was a dedicated teacher. He taught high school social studies and coached football at Mankato West High School in Minnesota. During his 6 terms in Congress, Walz was known for his bipartisan approach and focus on key issues such as Veterans Affairs, advocated for improved health care and benefits for veterans, agricultural and rural development, supported policies benefiting Minnesota's farmers and rural communities. Healthcare, worked on expanding healthcare accesses and funding for medical research. Education, championed better funding for public schools and teacher resources. He served on the House Committee on Veterans Affairs and played a key role in crafting legislation to improve veterans' healthcare services. In 2018, Walz ran for governor of Minnesota, selecting Peggy Flanagan as his running mate. He won the election, defeating Republican candidate Jeff Johnson. He assumed office as Minnesota's 41st governor on January 7, 2019. As governor, Walz implemented policies focusing on education, which increased funding for public schools, expanded early childhood education, and supported teacher development programs. Healthcare, pushed for lower prescription drug cost and expanded Medicaid program. Infrastructure, invested in transportation, broadband expansion, and clean energy project. Public safety, managed the state's response to the COVID-19 pandemic, implementing safety measures and economic recovery plan. In 2022, Walz won re-election, defeating Republican challenger Scott Jensen. His second term continues to emphasize economic growth, environmental sustainability, and equity in education and healthcare. Tim Walz is married to Jen Walz, an advocate for education and prison reform. The couple has 2 children and resides in St. Paul, Minnesota. Tim Walz's journey from a teacher and military leader to a U.S. congressman and governor reflects his dedication to public service. His policies continue to shape Minnesota's future, focusing on education, healthcare, and infrastructure.